Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best reusable sandwich bags that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Lunchskins Reusable 2-Pack Bag Set. The Lunchskins bag really surprised me. With kitschy patterns and Velcro seal, I was skeptical that it would actually keep a sandwich fresh for very long. But out of all the bags, Lunchskins was the only one that seemed to have any temperature protection, making it ideal for keeping in a lunch bag throughout the day. The bag was the perfect sandwich size, fitting all of them snugly without squishing any, no matter how thick the sandwich was. The bendable fabric material also made it easy to get a sandwich in there without a tight squeeze. Since it's both dishwasher safe and quick drying, it's easy to clean even if you hand wash them. Plus, they come in a variety of fun patterns that make it ideal for kids, lunches. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rezip Lay Flat Reusable Storage Bag. The plastic material of the Rezip bags makes it very versatile. Not only can they hold sandwiches, but they're also dishwasher safe, freezer safe, leak proof, and great for placing snacks and toiletries in when traveling, giving you multiple uses from a single bag. It's also easy to use as a sandwich bag, as it can fit sandwiches of all sizes without squishing them. But the bag is slightly large for a sandwich bag, and there was a bit too much airspace after placing a sandwich inside, making me worried that some of the contents would spill out. In my experience, my sandwich stayed together, but it may fall apart in the lunchbox of an energetic child. It was also easy to hand wash, but you do need to make sure the bag is held open by a cup to assure it dries completely. At number 3, we have the Stasher Reusable Silicone Food Bag. After seeing Stasher bags all over the internet, I had high hopes for the silicone bag. However, I found that I'd need to size up for larger sandwiches. The thick material of the smaller size caused larger sandwiches to squish, and it took quite a bit of effort to get them through the opening, ripping some of the bread in the process. I also had to flip the sandwiches around a bit to get them to fit. But smaller sandwiches had no problems fitting. The silicone material is quite sturdy, giving the bag additional functions other than just holding sandwiches. The Stasher bags can also be used for cooking, including techniques like sous vide, are oven safe, and are a good size for holding various snacks and small toiletry items when traveling. At number 2, we have the WINIT Reusable Silicone Food Storage Container. I really struggled with the WINIT storage bags. At first, I couldn't figure out how to open the Ziploc seal, but after several tries, I finally could open and close it with ease. It was a bit sticky on the inside, which made it difficult to slide a sandwich through the bag. There was also a weird plastic smell that threw me off, and because of the bag's stand-up design, it's not ideal for traveling in a lunch bag. It is the only reusable bag designed to hold liquids without spilling, so it may be more useful for storing gravy or produce in your fridge or freezer. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bumpkins Reusable Cloth Sandwich Bag. Great for storing a variety of snacks, these reusable sandwich bags are made of lightweight polyester with embedded TPU for waterproofing. While these are mostly waterproof, they aren't completely leak-proof due to the zipper closure. Parents who buy these bags love that they're easy to clean, whether you're wiping them, tossing them in the washing machine, or even putting them into the dishwasher. What's fun about them is that there are plenty of options to choose from. There are 15 different designs in total. The better alternative to single-use plastic bags, our reusable sandwich and snack bags are made from Bumpkins, original easy wipe waterproof fabric. Reusable cloth bags help reduce waste from plastic bags and takeout containers. By packing lunches and snacks, you can stay on budget, ensure foods are allergy-free, and adhere to dietary restrictions, plan healthier options. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.